Ararat is the highest mountain in Turkey. It is a volcanic mountain located next to Iğdır. The mountain has two parts, the Greater Ararat and the Lesser Ararat. There is a famous legend about these two peaks. According to the story, they were two siblings. They had a big fight long ago. They cursed each other. Then they turned it into stone. The mountain is also famous for Noah's Ark.
Many people believe the ark landed here after the Great Flood. This makes the mountain a symbol of rebirth.
Also, there is a love story about Ahmet and Gülbahar. They fell in love on this mountain. Their story is a big part of the local culture.
When you look at Mount Ararat, you see more than just rocks. You see history and legends. It is the spirit of Iğdır.